The rotary clothesline, also known as a rotary dryer or rotary washing line, is a device used for drying clothes by hanging them on a rotating line. It was invented in the early 20th century and quickly became a popular household item for drying laundry. The invention of the rotary clothesline changed the way people dried their clothes. Before its invention, clothes were typically hung on a line or rack, which could take up a lot of space and limit the amount of laundry that could be hung to dry. The rotary clothesline, on the other hand, allows for a much larger amount of clothes to be hung and dried in a smaller space. Improvements to the rotary clothesline can focus on making it more energy efficient and environmentally friendly. One possible improvement could be the addition of solar panels to power the rotation mechanism, reducing the need for electricity from the grid. Another potential improvement could be the use of more sustainable materials in the construction of the clothesline, such as recycled plastics or bamboo. Additionally, incorporating features such as adjustable height and windproof design can make the clothesline more versatile and practical for use in various weather conditions.